New tonight, a Reston man accused of raping a woman at knife point was free in the community despite multiple other arrests and probation violations. Fox 5's Lindsay Watts is asking law enforcement officials what happened. She's live tonight in Reston with more on this. Lindsay?
People are really upset about this. One law enforcement source tells me that the victim in the rape here Sunday is paying the price for the failures of others to protect the community. The suspect in the rape could have been locked up already based on his criminal past.
He's a young man, but Anthony Agee knows the justice system well. In 2018, when he was 18, he took a plea deal in an armed burglary case. He served less than 3 years in prison, getting out in December 2020, and was put on probation. Just 3 months later, he was under arrest again. Fairfax County Police say he stole a car, wouldn't stop for an officer, and crashed.
He tried to turn and ended up colliding to the backside of the tire.
It was Joshua Funk's parked car that was hit.
He was pretty much flying, according to what I heard, but it's pretty frightening, to be honest, having an area where you have kids.
Court documents show Agee was sentenced to 180 days in jail, but it was all suspended. In February of this year, police say Agee was kicked out of this strip club in Springfield. Investigators say they obtained surveillance video showing Agee returning with a gun and that he was involved in a shooting outside the club. But the Commonwealth's Attorney's Office said they needed more evidence to go forward with the case. That, for one, police didn't recover the gun. The case was dismissed without prejudice, which means charges could be brought back. Then earlier this month, Agee was in court on a probation violation for that stolen car case. Court sources say it had gotten pushed back. And even though the judge found he had violated his probation, the judge decided not to lock him up. That very same day, police say they caught Agee with more than a pound of marijuana in his car and charged him with intent to distribute. He was later released on bond again. And it was just days later, police say he raped the woman at knife point in her home here in Reston. Take a look. The location is a few hundred feet away from the stolen car crash last year.
Now, knowing that it's the same guy, it's just shocking.
At a press conference Tuesday, police said Agee had also been peeping into windows at the same condo community over the summer, and they believe he could be linked to even more crimes.
We're looking, again, to connect him to any other crimes unsolved, unreported. We're not done with him yet, but he's off the street. That's the good news.
The Fairfax County Police Chief says everyone should be asking why Agee was free to do this. Funk says the rape is the last straw, and he's moving his family to Loudoun County. He says he thought Fairfax was tough on crime until now.
Sounds to me like it's not happening. So there's something has to change in the system.
I also reached out to the Virginia Department of Corrections, which would be handling Agee's probation. I was told in a statement the probation and parole district made all necessary notifications following Mr. Agee's arrests. Agee is now being held without bond. He's expected back in court in October. Back to you.